Can't sleep? Noises keep you up at night? Your journey to a better night's sleep starts with Nightingale. Nightingale, the first smart home sleep system, clinically proven to help you fall asleep 38% faster. Comfortable sound blankets are optimized to mask noises, so you sleep better and wake up refreshed. Nightingale is controlled from your smartphone or PC, which immerses your bedroom in blankets of comfortable sound specifically tuned for your room's acoustics. Plug the units into your bedroom wall outlets, download the app, input your room type, and get ready for a better night's sleep. Nightingale integrates with popular smart home devices, giving you custom voice alerts.
HIVE, the ultimate Wi-Fi system. See these cute little guys? They're called bees. Plug them in, and they form a powerful mesh network. You guys have signal over there?
Yeah.
Cool. We set out to build a Wi-Fi system for the connected home, because if it isn't already, your house is about to be full of things that use the internet. Speakers, thermostats, lamps, cameras, assistants, this thing.
I hate that thing.
So you can see why the M2 supports up to 60 devices and gives you a high bandwidth connection anywhere in your home. But your home has walls. And that's where Wi-Fi hits the wall, not the M2. Its signal is so strong that it bounces off of walls and can even go through them. Together with the bees, this forms a strong mesh network, so you get coverage in all those hard-to-reach places in your house. The bees are flexible, and you can easily rearrange them for even stronger signal in areas you need it. The M2 is also fast.
Is it faster than what we already have?
Oh yeah, it's 20% faster than the next best router out there, around double the speed of the industry average. It can even handle multiple streams of 8K video. That's twice the resolution you have now.
Actually, it's 4 times more.
Seriously? Whoa. Our easy-to-use mobile app puts you in control of the entire network, so you can manage users,
Hey, do your homework.
and get a full view of the speeds across the system to avoid bottlenecks. Like if someone leaves the TV streaming.
You're always doing that.
So who builds this thing?
MERCKU, based outside Toronto, Canada. Our technology has been used by some of the world's largest telecom and internet companies, but this new generation is even more powerful.
If you guys unblocked me, I could Google this for you.
And who's on your team?
We've got a world-class team. One of our lead engineers created the technology behind all modern smartphone antennas. Another developed signal technology for satellites. Collectively, our team has over 500 patents and has won numerous design and engineering awards. Together, we're committed to building the very best Wi-Fi hardware to power the future of connected technology. And we want you to join us in building that future.
Us.
Definitely. Back us and get an M2. Fast, future-proof Wi-Fi. From MERCKU.
Clary's new product. It's been created to bring healthy fresh air and be the most beautiful design object you will ever have.
On the market right now, there are only ugly and traditional air purifiers that work with expensive filters that have to be replaced often. So the intuition was to use nature.
Some plants, in fact, have a special ability to eliminate the most common toxic agents in the air, thanks to microorganisms that live in their roots. NATEDE, thanks to a technology unit, amplifies these properties.
We created the most amazing natural air purifier on the market. And thanks to your support, it was an incredible success. More than 2,000 bakers from over 52 countries in the world believed in us and are now loving the product.
We won several awards, and most of all, our team grew from only 3 of us to almost 20 people.
So we really grew up. and also Cleary grew up. And here we are, ready to launch the new Cleary.
Let's start with design. NATEDE is extremely up-to-date, elegant and beautiful. Obviously, we made it eco-friendly and recyclable with an astonishing new biomaterial. R&D goes on. We are working with the best laboratories and universities in Europe. We also added a new incredible filtration process, photocatalysis. NATEDE is now able to eliminate VOCs, bacteria, virus, fine particulate and odors. And remember, there are no filters to change and it's the only product that creates fresh new air. It's faster. We worked a lot with fluid dynamics experts. And this improved the purification performance range a lot. And also the capacity of the self-watering system has increased. NATEDE's technology unit is now more powerful and silent. We also redesigned and added more sensors. You will have the best ones to measure your air quality. And now, with the new LED interface, you just have to take a look at NATEDE to know about the air quality in your space. The app is great. Check the air quality in real time or the analytics, and much more. What hasn't changed? The importance of plants and nature, of course. And our mission to find new solutions to bring fresh air, technology, and beautiful design for you.
Danger in homes today. Airborne pollutants, mold spores, bacteria, pollen, and pet dander accumulate to create indoor pollution often 5 times worse than your outdoor air. Air filters clean circulated air and help keep your family safe from harmful contaminants. Unfortunately, nobody knows when their filter stops working. Or worse, they forget to change it. FlowSmart connects to your home Wi-Fi and easily attaches to your clean air filter. FlowSmart immediately goes to work, taking daily readings of your airflow. As your filter fills up with pollutants, FlowSmart measures the change in airflow and lets you know when your filter needs to be changed before it's too late. You'll receive an air quality alert, whether you're at home or away, and you'll know it's the right time to replace your filter. Just hit the Buy Now button and have your filter delivered to your home. Worry about the things in life you can see, and let FlowSmart worry about the things you can't. FlowSmart, the smart.
Ask, pour me
4 ounces.
6 cups.
Fill the kettle.
1 gallon.
1 quart. Turn on the water.
1/3 cup.
3 tablespoons. 8 quarts.
This is the first device to hit the market that allows you to use your current faucet, the one you've used and loved for years, to do all the smart things that you wish it could do.
Finding the right style, finish, and color of a new faucet to match your kitchen and decor can be a huge headache.
Pour Me allows you to skip all of that headache. Pour Me takes your current faucet
And makes it smart.
It'll allow it to measure water precisely, to turn on and off without touch, and to monitor your water usage.
Pour Me conserves water by only using exactly what you need.
Pour Me allows you to fill custom containers, like a water bottle or a kettle,
Or your stew pot.
Pour Me can accept pretty much any measurement you can think of. You can ask for ounces, milliliters, liters, gallons. You can probably even ask for swimming pools, but we don't recommend that inside your own home.
The magic starts with you issuing a command. That goes through Alexa up into the cloud and is parsed by our proprietary system. It is then sent down to your individual device. Every milliliter of water is counted until you have the exact amount of water you've asked for.
Scepter, alarm off.
Alarm disabled.
Scepter, tell me the news.
Loading news feed. Here is today's news. Today, the weather will be clear and sunny with a high of 87 degrees. Light traffic today in your area. Estimated commute to work,
I love
20
you.
minutes.
Scepter, add apples to the shopping list.
Apples added to your shopping list.
Scepter, play morning playlist.
Playing music from your favorites.
Mom, can we make cookies? Sure. Scepter, bring up a chocolate chip cookie recipe.
Here is a top-rated chocolate chip cookie recipe.
Scepter, set timer for 10 minutes.
Timer set for 10 minutes.
Scepter, pick up the call.
Hey! So don't forget, I'll be coming home from break Saturday. I think I'll need a ride at 8.
Okay, we'll be there. Good luck with finals.
Thanks, Mom. Love you.
Love you. Scepter, set a reminder to pick up Erica from the airport Saturday morning at 8.
Reminder set.
Hey guys. Oh, hey! Tough day at school? Scepter, order a pizza.
Yay! Pizza!
You guys might like that.
Ordering extra large pepperoni pizza. ETA for delivery is 45 minutes.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night, Mommy. Scepter, tell me a bedtime story.
Starting a bedtime story, read by B08 the robot.
By the African river known as the Nile, the sun fell.
What is the atomic number for helium?
2.
That is correct. What is the chemical formula for table salt?
NaCl.
That is correct.